Hey everybody, this is Donnie from Adex Club. Today's workout is going to focus on the one-handed front swing into a clean. It's an easy exercise to do. The first couple of sets, 2-3 sets, do 8 to 10 reps of a lighter weight. I'm going to show you right now. Nice straight back. Bring your swing up and catch it right here. Again, bring your swing up, catch it right here. Cast it outward and return it. Don't just let your club fall down like that. Also, be aware of where your elbow is. You don't want your elbow back here. See how the shoulder caves in? We don't want that. A little bit to the forward position, right like that. Try to stand nice and straight and tall. Boom, you got it. Then, do another 5 to 8 sets of 5 reps with a heavier club. Either dial your club up or switch to a different club. Again, nice straight long back. Get a nice swing, and boom, catch it right there. Cast it out, and go back again. Couple that with 100 reps of 10 to 2s or 360s with your mace. If you don't have a mace, use a club and do halos, the same number of reps. Any way you get there, just get that 100 in. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the blog on the adexclub.com page. And also don't forget to check out macefit.com. That's where you find a lot of the programming for the clubs and the maces to integrate it with class time. See you guys on the platform. Peace.